first stop was at the California Academy of Sciences. Take a look at these photos of butterflies eating orange slices. The shot from the iPhone X has more color saturation, better dynamic range and more contrast. The one from the Note 8 is a tad overexposed. When it came to focusing, the Note 8 was a monster. This was in large part to its dual-pixel sensor. It grabbed focus quickly and accurately in nearly any situation. The iPhone X had fast and accurate focus when good light was present, but slowed down when things got darker. I like that both phones have 2x optical zoom, which let me zoom in without the same hit-to-image quality that a digital zoom has. Both Samsung and Apple have always on the telephoto camera, which made it even more useful, especially in low light. Photos taken with optical zoom on the iPhone X had nice detail and great dynamic range. Sometimes colors looked overcorrected, as though it added a colored pencils filter. The Note 8's telephoto camera rendered photos that looked more natural and sharper. The popular feature on both phones is portrait mode, which keeps focus on the foreground image, such as a person's face, and artistically blurs out the background. The idea is to mimic the shallow depth of field and bokeh background blur, rendered by a DSLR camera and a fast lens. The iPhone X calls this feature portrait lighting mode. Samsung calls it live focus on the Note 8. Each phone uses both rear cameras and computational photography to simulate the effect.